Hey, good Wednesday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this May the 15th, 2013. A warm couple of days in store for us and also chances for showers and a few thunderstorms as well as we head towards the weekend and even into the first portion of your next upcoming work week. Let's go ahead and dive into some of this. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots across the network this afternoon. Here's a look from the Seahawk Inn and Villas down at Atlantic Beach this afternoon. Not too bad. A couple folks walking into the water. Not too bad as far as the wave action is concerned. We're about 2 to 3 feet today. Tomorrow it increases to about 3 to 4 feet offshore, just offshore. The breakers are going to be about 3 to 4 feet. So not too bad. Temperatures, water temperatures about 67 or so. But a nice couple of days as far as the air temperature is going to be concerned. It'll be in the 70s, low 80s next several days down there deep inland. We're talking about deep into the 80s the next several days. And here's the look from the Bridgepoint Hotel and Marina down in New Bern. A couple seagulls flying from the building this afternoon as you're looking back towards the Neuse River. A nice and placid day. Temperature is fairly warm down there in Craven County. We're already up to 83 down in New Bern, 74 Morehead City. So the Bogue Bank's a little bit on the cooler side as the sea breeze now starting to make its way slowly inland since we had that southwesterly breeze flow, not going to be as deep inland as we've seen in recent days. 80 degrees down in Jacksonville, 82 for Roanoke Rapids, 81 in Greenville. I think today we get up upper 80s across the east. I think anywhere between about 84 to about 88 this afternoon. Tomorrow will be even warmer. I think tomorrow we could easily get up into the 90s for portions of the east. So we'll call it about 88 to 91 tomorrow afternoon across portions of eastern North Carolina, especially deep inland. That's where you're going to see your best chance for seeing those warmer temperatures. Here's the look from 500 millibars and the water vapor imagery, upper level low over the panhandle of Texas this afternoon. Severe weather risk right through here. Not going to be a big risk. I think main threat's going to be damaging winds with that set up. And then we've got our second low that's going to be diving southward as we go into the next couple of days. Not this little guy here. This one back over here towards the west off the board right now. That's going to dive south, and that's going to bring the next round of severe weather across the Central Plains going into Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And also, even portions of that is going to bring us a chance for some showers going into the latter half of the weekend. But not expecting a whole lot. Not going to be seeing a big concentration of showers and thunderstorms the next couple of days, but there's going to be the risk for some here across eastern North Carolina. All right, here we are looking at the NAM, the 4-kilometer output, and valid for 4 o'clock this afternoon, and we got temperatures deep into the 80s. Like I said, anywhere from about 84 to 88 this afternoon is going to be a good bet, closer to the coastline with that southwest wind. Especially with the southwest wind coming basically right up the coast and going across the cooler waters down there along the coast. That's what's going to bring your temperatures down just a smidge. I think you stay into the mid and upper 70s this afternoon, maybe close to 80 for a few spots tomorrow afternoon. We go into tonight, temperatures down into the lower and mid 60s, closer to the coast once again with that southwest wind flow. You're going to see a little bit more moisture tonight. And we'll stay up into the middle and upper 60s down there. Deep inland will be in the lower and middle 60s. But also, when we go into tonight, we'll also be looking for a warmer look to tonight, thanks to a little bit of, maybe a few clouds here and there, but not expecting a whole lot. Tomorrow, more moisture moves in here. Dew points will be rising up into the 60s tomorrow. Out of the 50s, we're in the mid and upper 50s this afternoon. Tomorrow will be in the middle 60s as far as dew points are concerned. So it's going to be a little bit more in the way of muggy tomorrow. Here's 3 o'clock tomorrow, and look at what happens. Deep inland, we've got temperatures right around 90. So that's going to be a decent bet tomorrow. It's going to be an all-day thing to get to 90, but it's going to be one of those things that we'll see spotty areas hitting 90 degrees tomorrow. So anywhere from about 87 to about 91 degrees tomorrow afternoon, depending on where you are. Even along the coast, we'll be peaking at around 80 degrees. So it's going to be a warm day tomorrow. So if you got any plants outside, give yourself those warm weather precautions. More water, sunscreen, light, loose-fitting clothing is what you need to do in this situation. But even tomorrow, I don't expect very much in the way of rainfall. Maybe a sea breeze shower or two, but that's about it. All right, here we go on the 12Z GFS output. This is looking at 500 millibars. Upper low over central Texas right now, obviously, and that's what's going to bring them the chance for some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. We're high and dry thanks to a big ridge of high pressure across our area. There's some rain showers, basically just a little strip of some showers well north of us. That's a part of a boundary that's going to try to sag southward as we head through the weekend. It's going to bring us a chance for some showers, spotty showers across our neck of the woods. We'll fast forward it and go into tomorrow. Not too bad. Still with that ridge. Maybe a little bit of energy gets in here that will help to enhance maybe one or two showers to our west, but not expecting a whole lot here tomorrow. Maybe a sea breeze shower or two. That upper low starts to shear itself apart as it moves closer to the Tennessee River Valley and Mississippi River Valley. We go into your Friday, not too bad, but like I said, a little bit of energy across the area is going to allow for a little bit of uplift, and we see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think the best chance will be about 20% at best across our neck of the woods for going into your Friday. Like I said, maybe one or two showers and thunderstorms, but that's about it. We go into Saturday, not too bad. Like I said, there's going to be a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. There's going to be a boundary that sags southward that's going to lay itself across basically the northern portions of the viewing area, and that's going to bring us a chance for maybe 1, 2, 3 showers and thunderstorms for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but not expecting a whole washout. And I'll show you what the GFS, the surface parameters looking like. It does look like a washout on that, but with not a lot of energy to work with, it's not going to be an all-day rain. It's just not going to be. But there's going to be pop-up showers and thunderstorms each and every day, so it's going to be more of a summertime look to us as we head towards the weekend. But it's still going to be warm with temperatures into the 80s, especially with this ridge over the Central Plains. That's going to be a warm look for them. Back off to the west, this is going to be the one that brings severe weather across the Central Plains going into Saturday, Sunday, Monday, going into the weekend. So overall, not too bad. Here's Sunday, a little bit of energy, maybe a better chance for a shower on Saturday than Sunday, but I think maybe right around 30% for us on average. Going to Monday, not too bad. A little energy on top of us, a little short wave on top of us that could bring us some showers. And the ridge starts to build back in as we head towards Tuesday and get a little bit warmer. I think still partly cloudy, chance for showers and maybe a few thunderstorms that day. And then we'll fast forward to Wednesday and just a fast flow on top of us and maybe a shower or thunderstorm that day as well. And here's the end of the forecast period, Thursday morning. And we have a little bit of energy moving through here that could bring us a better chance for showers and thunderstorms going towards late on Thursday. Here's the surface output. Nothing going on today, obviously. A nice warm day with temperatures up into the mid-80s. Mid and upper 80s for us as we head towards your Friday with temperature into your Thursday, rather. Will definitely be very warm that day as we get into the mid and upper 80s, low 90s for some of us. Here's Friday afternoon, maybe a sea breeze shower or two, but overall not too bad of a day. Maybe about a 20% chance for seeing one of those showers or a thunderstorm that day. We'll go into Saturday, and the GFS is painting a lot of rain at this point on this particular run, but it's not going to be an all-day rain. It's going to be scattered showers and thunderstorms. One or two of them could hit you on a Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, but it's not going to be an all-day rain. I do want to emphasize that. We'll fast forward to Sunday once again. Maybe a few heavier bullets with some heavier rain pockets here and there. And the main threat going to be just some heavy rains, maybe some gusty winds, some lightning. But since we don't have the cold air aloft, hail's not going to be a big issue over the next several days. But some gusty winds possible, yes, but not expecting a whole lot. We'll go into Monday, another chance for some showers and thunderstorms Monday afternoon. Once again, not an all-day rain, but still a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Mainly, it looks like the best chance will be closer to the coast and east of US 17, if that is correct. We'll fast forward into your Tuesday. Most of the showers offshore for us. So we'll go dry probably on Tuesday. Transition into Wednesday. still a chance for a few scattered showers. We'll call it about 20%. And in the forecast period, that one does look a little bit more on the wet side with that little bit of energy sitting on top of us on That's it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. I'll be back tomorrow afternoon. Next video up here by about 1:30 or so tomorrow afternoon. You can tune in tonight on WNCT for Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer's forecast. He'll be on at 5, 5:30, 6, as well as 10 on CW, 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Gannon Medwick will be in tomorrow morning at 5 to 7. And like I said, I'll be back here at 1 o'clock to give you guys the technical discussion. You can also keep up with us on Facebook and Twitter and WNCT.com. Have a great rest of your afternoon, and hopefully you stay cool today and also for the rest of this upcoming week.